All right, so we're reseeding this horrible, nasty yard, and it's full of weeds. And what we want to do is overseed it, reseed it, just try to get any kind of grass growing at all. We've trucked in a bunch of dirt. This side was not even salvageable, and we're going to have a brand new yard. That's the plan. Step one, clean up the yard, get all the tree limbs and rocks and whatever off. Step two, get a load of dirt. We got 5 yards of dirt over 1,200 square feet, and put about 1.5 inch layer everywhere as a bed for the seed. The 2 times you can do this are early spring or late fall before the first frost. That does a nice job because the yard was pretty lumpy. Step 3, put the seed on. So we forgot a seeder, of course. We're just reseeding the yard. So we forgot our seeder, but anyway, just poke a hole in the cup. And that's magic. It works just as good. We're gonna have a nut. We reseeded this a second time with more seed, and I don't think you can get too much grass seed on the lawn. If you know better than me, let me know in the comments, but I think we're okay by having I think we end up putting 20 pounds of grass seed over 1,000 square feet or 1,200 square feet. So we ought to have like Jungle City when this is done. We'll see what happens. So now, once the seed is sprinkled on the surface, we're just coming back with the rakes and letting some of the seed fall underneath the ground. And the goal is, the seed needs like a 1/8 inch or 1/4 inch of dirt on top of it for it to start its germination process. And so we're just doing that. We're just by running the rake over it, some is going to end up underneath the soil. And then we're going to put the mats on this in just a little bit, and that will be like a blanket over all of this to keep the moisture in as much as possible, because that's really key. You don't want your seed to dry out. And then we'll put the blanket on, water it, and we should be good to go. Step 4, put the mat on. You can also lay down, you can get bales of straw and then scatter the straw. I did that at my daughter's yard, and it was a pretty wide open area, and the next day wind came and the straw was gone. So this time we elected to do straw mats. The straw is already woven into a netting, and so that way it's less likely to blow away. Because what we're trying to do is keep the seeds moist and shaded till they start sprouting and growing, and those mats should work out great. It looks like the netting is woven over the bed of straw and captures it. Pretty cool. So you might be tempted to not pay for these 600-foot rolls, $80, and you'd be like, oh, we don't need to do that. Yeah, I've done it before where I've just done straw bales, and it just blows away. So I learned the hard way. It's worth the extra amount to spend money on this. It's a nice little bed. This way, hopefully you don't have to reseed or split seed after this is all halfway grown in if you don't take this route. Step 5, water. And then step 6 is enjoy your brand new yard. Right, so this project is totally DIY. Anybody can do it. It's about doing it in the right order. Save you a ton of money by doing it yourself. That's why we're doing it ourselves, of course. Hope this video helps. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.